2 hours away from my house. I don't know where I'm at, and God, I'm such an idiot. What the now this truck wants to run like a piece of dog turd. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's about 6:15 p.m. and I'm actually on my way to get a new toy. It's gonna be pretty epic. I'm pretty excited about it. I got a hell of a deal on it because it's one of my good homies and he's cut me a really good deal on it, so I can't complain with that. So I'm gonna head on down to pick that bad boy up. I'm gonna film the trip. I'll pick you guys back up when we get there and I'll show you guys what I am picking up. I got some big plans for this, actually. I already got some ideas floating in my head, but hopefully we can get it started first off. Honestly, that's the only thing that I need for it to do right now is just run just a little bit, just for me to go skate that across the ice or something. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I can tell you what, it's going to be pretty dope and it's going to be fun. It's going to add a lot of fun content to the channel. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's go pick this bad boy up. All right, guys, welcome back to Biggs is an absolute freaking idiot. What the now this truck wants to run like a piece of dog turd. All right, welcome back to Biggs is an absolute idiot. On today's episode of Biggs is an absolute idiot, I just drove 2 hours to pick up said piece of toy that I was super excited about. Yeah, I just drove 2 hours, and the place that I was supposed to go was, it was a whopping 30 minutes away from, well, I would say an hour away. I'll give it about an hour. It's about an hour away from my house. Instead, I doubled that time and ended up in, I don't even know where I'm at. Not where I'm supposed to be. Yeah, so we're going to end this right here, and we're going to pick back up when we finally get the... I'm still not going to release what I'm getting because I just want to add suspense, because I guess that's what I'm trying to do to myself, because I was super excited to pick it up. Yeah, I just drove 2 hours like an absolute freaking Nimrod to pull into someone's driveway and tell my buddy, hey, I'm here. So I don't know, it was at his girlfriend's house, so like that's why I've never been there, because if it's my buddy, like, shouldn't I know where it's at? Yeah, if it was his house, I'd know exactly where it's at, but it was his girlfriend's house, and yeah, I don't even know. So it was at his girlfriend's house. He gave me the address. I don't know. Maybe it was my fault. Maybe it's his. Regardless, it was probably, I mean, I should have double checked because I don't know. I just feel like an absolute idiot. I'm going to turn in here so I can finish recording this. And yeah, so I got the truck. I got 2 hours away from my house. I don't know where I'm at. And God, I'm such an idiot. Like, hey, drop a comment down below. I feel like, I don't know, my dad's told me stories where he's done stuff like that, which is scary because now I'm doing things like that. Drop a comment down below if you've ever done something like stupid like that, because if you have, I don't feel as bad doing it, but if you haven't, then I feel like even more of an idiot. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this here. I'm gonna pick you guys up, just so don't go anywhere. I'm gonna pick you guys up when I actually get to. So it might be tomorrow, it might be the next day. I don't know. I'll finish this vlog at some point. But thanks for watching this shit show that I put on for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy it, because if you don't, I'm a little upset, because you guys get to see how stupid I am half the time. And that's just enjoyable, in my opinion. So make sure you guys are liking this video. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button, because obviously if I do this one time, Probably going to do it again because I like to learn the hard way. Yeah, I'll see you guys whenever I pick it up. Bye for now.
Pile and paper got them talking nice to me. Down the bottle, it be going right through me. Brown baby down to take a flight to me. They think that I'm stunting, but it's slight to me. Pile and paper got them talking nice to me. Guess that's why the labels want the rights to me.
New fit, that's neat, yeah. For the green like a leaf, for the green like a reef. Don't trip, don't reach. Get rich, don't speak, yeah. Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheep. I get to it up in my sleep.